You know what's strange most about relationships? Yes, when they say they break. Why? Because of betrayal? No, they break because of boredom, silence, and emotional distance. Welcome to this journey of New You. Every day we are doing one practice to make you new you. Let's dive deep into relationships today. Like two ships once anchored together, now slowly drifting apart. Not because of storms, but because of the anchor wasn't checked. Yes, anchor wasn't checked. In NLP, we call this loss of emotional anchoring. Yes, my dear friends, when the emotional anchors miss, it's not that love that leaves. It's our awareness that fades. It's consciousness that fades. People start relationship with presence. They listen, they notice, they feel. But slowly, patterns replace passion. They stop hearing to understand and start listening to reply. They assume more, they interpret more. Then, old loops of emotion, and here's what NLP teaches. Meaning isn't in the words, it's in the response. So when your partner says, you don't understand me, yes, it's not about who's right, it's about who's listening with more consciousness, awareness and empathy. Try this pause before reacting. Take one breath, then reframe the thought. What's another meaning I can give this moment to? Because maybe they aren't pulling away. They are protecting their own pain. And maybe love isn't gone. It's just waiting for them to meet again with more awareness, more consciousness and more empathy. So here's the reflection prompt for today. What story are you telling yourself about your relationship, and what if that story isn't truth but just tired old narrative your mind keeps repeating? Rewrite it, and also re-anchor it, relove it, because they say relationships don't die, they evolve. Make them evolve. When you upgrade your emotional lens, your awareness, your consciousness, you don't just save a bond, you transform your being. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Let's build more awareness in the world where love feels like awareness again, and going into the voyage of empathy. So here's the prompt for you today is reflect on it, I would say. With this, let's keep the curiosity alive for tomorrow and see you tomorrow.